Hey, beautiful minds. Welcome back to the Mind Detective. Today, let's get real about something. Beauty blunders. Those little habits you think make you irresistible, but might actually be sending the wrong message. Don't worry, we've all been there, but fret no more. We're about to expose these sneaky saboteurs and equip you with mind-blowing tips to turn your beauty game into a masterpiece. So hit that subscribe button and get ready for a glow-up revolution. Blunder #1. Cakey Foundation City. Think heavy foundation is the key to flawless coverage? Think again. It can age you, clog pores, and leave you looking like a mask in daylight. Trust us, natural, lightweight formulas are your real friends. Embrace your skin's texture, blend like a pro, and watch your inner radiance shine through. Blunder. #2. The Brows of Doom. Remember those pencil-thin brows of the 90s? Yeah, let's leave them there. Overly drawn or sculpted brows can look harsh and unnatural. Embrace your natural shape, fill in sparse areas lightly, and rock brows that frame your face without stealing the show. Blunder #3, the sleeping in your makeup marathon. We get it, late nights happen, but seriously, sleeping in your makeup is a skincare disaster. It clogs pores, leads to breakouts, and ages you faster than a speeding time machine. Wash that face before hitting the pillow, queen. Your skin will thank you. Blunder #4, the fashion faux pas fiesta. Fashion is a playground, but sometimes we get lost in the funhouse. Clashing patterns, ill-fitting clothes, and outdated trends can leave you looking like you raided your grandma's closet. Research what flatters your body, invest in versatile pieces, and don't be afraid to experiment. Confidence is the ultimate accessory. Blunder #5, the hair don't care hurricane. Shiny, healthy hair is a crown you wear every day. Neglecting your locks with heat styling, skipping conditioner, or rocking the same bun for weeks can make you look tired and unpolished. Deep condition regularly, try protective styles, and find hairstyles that work for your hair type. You'll be amazed at the difference. Blunder #6, the perfume cloud. We love a good spritz, but remember, less is more when it comes to fragrance. Drowning yourself and everyone around you in perfume is not a good look. Apply sparingly to pulse points. Let it dry before spraying again, and consider scent-free options for sensitive noses. Blunder #7, the social media mask. Filters and flawless feeds can make us feel like we need to look perfect online. But remember, your true beauty is in your authenticity. Embrace your imperfections, showcase your unique personality, and let your real self shine through. You're beautiful just the way you are. Blunder #8, the trend-chasing tornado. Trends are fun, but don't let them wear you. Blindly following every TikTok fad can leave you looking lost and uncomfortable. Find trends that work for your style and personality and rock them with confidence. Be you, not a walking runway ad. Blunder #9, the I don't need sunscreen. Myth, listen up, sun lovers. Sunscreen is not just for beach days. Sun damage is real, and neglecting protection can lead to wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and even skin cancer. Make sunscreen a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, even on cloudy days. Your future self will thank you. Blunder #10, the negative Nancy narrative. Beauty starts from within. Constantly criticizing your appearance and comparing yourself to others is a recipe for unhappiness. Practice self-love. Celebrate your unique features, and remember, beauty is more than just skin deep. You are amazing, own it. Blunder #11, the self-sabotage siren. Here's the biggest blunder of all. Believing you're not enough. Slouching, hiding your smile, and whispering, "I can't," are self-inflicted beauty kryptonite. Stand tall, make eye contact, and own your space. Speak your truth with confidence, and watch your inner light radiate. Remember, you are capable of anything you set your mind to. So there you have it, beautiful minds. 11 beauty blunders exposed, and even more mind-blowing tips to unleash your inner glow. Remember, true beauty is a blend of confidence, authenticity, and self-love. Embrace your unique features, rock your own style, and let your personality shine through. You are a masterpiece, crafted by the universe itself. Now go out there and show the world your light. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your biggest beauty blunders and glow-up tips in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and stay beautiful.